How to add variants on Printify. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be taught how you can add variants on Printify. This video is going to be very educative and ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing to do as usual is to log on to your account on Printify on your PC. Then once you've assured that you've logged in on your account, you'd check the right side of the screen where we the menu side where we have options like dashboard, catalog, my product, and so on. Then you click on my product. After clicking on my product, a drop down will be displayed where there are several options of what exactly you want to choose. Here I have men clothing, women's clothing, accessories, and so on. So you click on any option that suits you. Then further drop will be displayed for detailed selection. So you click on any of these options. When you've clicked on it, you'll be directed to a page where you have several pictures. Then you make your choice. After making your choice, you click on the image you want. After doing this, you scroll down. You'll be directed to the page where you have detailed information about the particular choice you've chosen. After that, you scroll down the page, then till you get to the particular place at the left side of the screen where we have two icons. One is for provider info, the other one is start designing. Then click on the icon start designing. After clicking on it, a page will be brought to you where you have the options to do whatever design you want on the option that you selected. Here you can change the color, you can write anything on it, you can edit it and input anything on it. You can click on the text option just like I've done here. Then after clicking on the text option that is at the left side of the screen, you move to the particular option that you chose. You click on it, then you type in anything that you want on the particular option. After that, you go back to the left side of the screen where we have the save product icon. You click on the save product icon, then you wait patiently for the page to load. After doing this, at the left side, again, the left side of the screen, you have the icon save as draft. You click on save as draft. After this, you'll be shown the option that you chose, just like you can see here. You'll be shown the detailed option of the particular option you chose. Then at the left side of the screen, the lower part, after the pencil icon, we have the duplicate icon. You click on duplicate icon. After doing this, you create a variant of the option that you selected. Then you click on this option that you selected. After clicking on the option that you selected, you after clicking on it, a page will pop up. On this page, you have edit design. You click on edit design, then you do whatever you want on this design. You can either change the color, click on the options are at the left side of the screen. You click on option, the color, or you input another text on your design and so on. So this is how to add variants in Printify. It's that simple, okay? You can try it out. Thank you.